maple sail way up high in the sky.
I helped Lucy.
Oh,
Good.
you did a good job. Just like your second mother.
Oh, yeah. We have too many chiefs and not enough Indians around here. Between Libby and Pepper, they think they're both in charge. The goblin in the dark, the goblin in the dark. Hi, ho, Harry, the goblin in the dark. Good, Pepper. Then what? The goblin calls a witch. Hey, witch. The goblin calls a witch. Hey, witch. Hi, ho, Harry, the goblin calls a witch. You could be a little louder, you guys. The witch calls a bat.
Sing.
The witch
You gotta
calls a
sing.
bat. Good. The witch calls a bat. The bat calls a ghost.
Got a
The
good
bat
grip.
calls a ghost. Hi, ho, Halloween, the bat says ghost. The ghost says boo. The ghost says boo. Hi, ho, Halloween, the ghost says boo.